Git pull. What is the pull? It will pull all the updated code from remote branch to the merge with your local branch. Okay. What this is here, we have a two commands: git fetch and git pull. What are the commands?
Git
Git
pull and
fetch and
Git pull.
uh, the commands is git pull, git fetch,
Okay.
git fetch. So both fetches and merges changes from the remote repository to a local repository. What
So
is
both
git pull?
both will work as the same only, correct?
Same only, but there is a difference. What is that difference? I will tell you.
And
Mm-hmm.
merging happens automatically. We do not have to write any code to merge, right?
Yes, I will tell you. Fetch. Okay, git fetch. So what is git pull? Git pull is nothing but a git fetch plus git merge is nothing but a git pull. Okay, what
Mm-hmm.
is fetch? I will tell you. The difference I will tell you. Git fetch plus git merge is nothing but a git pull. What it first it will fetch the code and it will merge it to the main branch. Okay, first it will fetch the code and merge it to the main branch. Okay,
Yes.
yeah. So fetches and merges changes from the remote repository to local repository. You can use the git pull command. Okay, so git pull, git fetch plus git merge. Okay, so I will show you the difference between git fetch and git pull. Fetch. Okay, git fetch. You see, so git fetch remote. So four done no continuing objects, and so we have a one. It will you see from origin main to local main. We are getting one
Hari, what
file.
what and all these things? This lot of informations are there, right?
Informations are no need to worry about it. So it's
Okay.
information what are it's used. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So, okay. So git ls. If you use the git fetch, still it
A
is
file is
not.
not came here,
Now you understood that? So
uh,
file is not.
reached here, correct? Yeah.
Yes. Yes. If you use the git pull command, yeah, you see. So here git pull updating the base fast forward xyz.txt. One file is changed, one file is instruction. So this is merged. What is that? Git merge to main.
One doubt I have, Hari. Already, abc.txt is the, that also will come with this pull, or only xyz will come with this pull?
Very good question. Whatever the updated files, whatever the
Hmm.
updated files, it will come. For example, it will verify abc.txt already there. Only it will download the xyz.txt. You see here. Only it is showing the xyz.txt.
Okay. 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 Hmm.
Understood?